Let's build Flutter News App. We will learn how to create a Flutter News App with NewsApi Org. In Flutter News App we will load top headlines on the home page, and we have categories option to see top headlines based on categories and country. We get breaking news headlines and search for articles from news sources and blogs all over the web with NewsApi and Flutter. We can also browse through different news based on categories. Click on Get API Key and then register with first name, email, and pass, then check all the checkboxes and click Submit. On the home page, you will also be able to see the response so that we can understand how to structure our HTTP request. If you are a beginner with Flutter, I highly encourage you to follow along because you are going to learn how to put all the small pieces together to understand things like how to fetch data from an API, how to update state, and much more, ultimately building a real-world Flutter app. So the app is completed. If you face any problem, feel free to share it in the comments. I will try to help as much I can. Please let me know your valuable feedback on the video by means of comments. Please like and share the video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more educational videos.